Hey everyone, it's been a really long time since I filmed a video, so sorry if this is like kind of awkward or weird. Also sorry if you can hear my puppies playing in the background. They're constantly playing, so sorry about that. Just a little disclaimer before we get started. Also, sorry if this video is kind of all over the place. I know what I want to say, but it's probably going to be like just a little bit of everything everywhere. So, first, it has been almost a year since I have uploaded a YouTube video. And I say uploaded because I think I filmed like 3 maybe, but I never got around to editing them. I wasn't too happy with them. It was just like, eh. So I'm not even going to, I'm just going to delete them and move on. Because it was just makeup videos, so all of the products that I use and everything, it's probably like old news now. So we're just going to start fresh. Basically, I want to kind of revamp my channel. I do want to start filming again, which is why I'm filming this video, to kind of update y'all on where I'm at with my channel and everything like that. So I want my channel to be not makeup, not only makeup, I guess. I don't watch makeup videos anymore. It's just not interesting to me. Now if it's like a new product or a new foundation or anything like that, like, yeah, I might watch it, or I might just like go in the store and look, and if anything catches my eye, I'll get it. But as for like actually watching reviews or tutorials or anything like that, I don't. I watch a lot of gaming videos. Basically, that's like all I watch. So I want to kind of like move my channel from not really makeup to a little bit of gaming, maybe a little bit of makeup, but mostly vlogs, like kind of like this style of video, very relaxed and laid back, and so that's kind of what I want to move my channel towards. So yeah, so any kind of like anything that you want to see me do, like cleaning or like a house tour, or I still have a beauty room, so that's where I get ready every day for work. If you want to see that, I can show you that. You know, just stuff like that. So that's kind of what I want to move my channel towards, not makeup anymore. So more of a lifestyle. I also wanted to kind of update y'all on, I don't know, my life, I guess. I've been struggling with anxiety for a couple years now, and it's been hard to manage. And, well, anxiety and depression, but anxiety most recently. So, which is kind of why I'm making this video too, because I feel like a lot of people can relate. So, and if you have any like tips or tricks or anything to help, I'll be more than willing to get those from you. I don't know, like my anxiety has kind of like gotten in the way a lot recently, and like from my day-to-day life, and it's in ways it's kind of been a little debilitating, which is another reason why I just haven't picked up the camera and started filming. I don't really know if anyone would be interested in seeing my day-to-day life, and so like it gets me overthinking like why even do it and all this stuff, and I don't know, but I feel like if I kind of share my journey, then a lot of people can relate to it. So basically I have like anxiety attacks and just like general anxiety, social anxiety, anything really. I think I have a little bit of agoraphobia, I think that's how you say it, where I feel like I can't leave the house. That happens to me a lot during the week. And it's annoying because I feel like if I leave the house, something bad is going to happen to me. So I just need to stay in the house where it's safe with my dogs, and I'll be fine. And it's awful. Like I wish I didn't feel that way, because in my mind, like I know that I'll be fine once I get to wherever I'm going, but I just, like, you can't tell yourself that when you're having one of those attacks. Like, people just don't understand, like, you can't reason with yourself, and no one can reason with you when you're feeling that way. So it's been kind of hard, like, for Will to kind of understand where I'm coming from. You know, he tries to help, but I don't think you can truly help or understand unless you have anxiety yourself. So in a way, it kind of like isolates me, and that's really hard. I'm just trying to find ways to get around it, but it's really hard. So I don't know. I just feel like if we kind of like walk this journey together, it'll help everyone, me, anyone who's watching who has anxiety. It'll kind of help everybody, because we can actually have someone to relate to, you know, like someone can understand, like, I have anxiety, I can't go outside today. It's like, I totally get it. If you ever need to talk or anything like that, just, you can always comment down below, or I have my Twitter and Instagram handles down in the description, or they're at the beginning of the video. So if you don't want to make it quite so public down in the comments, you can always reach out to me on one of those outlets and we can talk. I feel like it's nice to have someone to relate to, since it's hard because not everyone has a mental illness and not everyone understands it. And sometimes I just feel so alone, because it's like, or kind of like an outcast, like no one else has it. So I'm weird or whatever, and I'm not normal, so I don't know. I don't know where I'm going with this. I'm just pretty much telling you how I feel in hopes that someone else kind of feels the same way. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video to kind of like update y'all on everything, kind of where I want my channel to go, where I've been, how I've been feeling, stuff like that. So I don't think that I filmed a video. I haven't filmed a video since I've got these two dogs in the background. This one laying down is Gemma, and then this one kind of sitting up is Jax. So Gemma and Jax. And yes, they are named after Sons of Anarchy, because that is our favorite show. And then of course I still have Bella, and she's around here somewhere. But everyone is a Chihuahua, so I love Chihuahuas. They're crazy. They're about 7 months old. We got them in January, when I think they were about to turn 2 months. So, I mean, I didn't have too much to update y'all on. Sorry if I keep looking over this way. That's where my viewfinder is. So I just want to make sure that I'm still in focus, even though it looks so bad. I also did want to share with y'all that I do Home Chef, which is like a meal, not preparation thing, but like, it's like HelloFresh or anything like that. Do you mind? Here's Bella. See, she's still with me. Are you done? So yeah, Home Chef is like, you pick out meals or... Jax, quit. Listen. What is happening? Go back. Gemma, please. Stop it. Who's standing on my hair? So anyways, Home Chef is one of those deals where you get pack out meals and they ship them to you, like HelloFresh, that whole situation. So I just got the box today of the meals that we have. So I'm going to go show those to you, because last week, amazing. So let's pause and go to the kitchen. Okay, so this is a little box it comes in. I'm going to open it. Everything comes in like with those freezer bags. You'll know what I'm talking about. So yeah, like these that you can like put in your lunchbox or whatever. Because depending on when you get home from work, you know, it might be sitting out there for quite a while. So on your first box, they will send you a little binder like this. And it's really cool because however many meals you pick out, we always do 3 because I will cook 3 nights. Well, I cook every night, but then we always have those 3 nights planned. So, but you can get more than that. You can get, there's lunches, grill packs, you know, stuff like that. So these are our 3 meals that we put in there. Last week we did Hawaiian pulled pork fried rice. It was really good. And they all have like times down here, cook within 4 days, easy difficulty, and spice level medium. So what I like to do is the things that will expire first, I'll cook those and then go down the line. And then the directions and stuff are on the back. And the next day we had Cajun shrimp tacos and prosciutto and mushroom carbonara. This was the best. This was our favorite. And Will doesn't even love pasta that much. Let me turn the light on. There we go. Will doesn't love pasta that much, so it was kind of cool that he actually enjoyed that. So my battery's doing good. So this week we got, I don't even know how to pronounce this, shrimp Dijon penne. Looks like this. And I think these, I got 2 easies and an intermediate. And then we got chicken parmesan mini flatbreads. This one is super quick, 15 minutes. And then barbecue pulled pork sliders with Chipotle ranch coleslaw. This Home Chef is so nice because everything comes in a little bag and I don't have to think about what we're eating. Like when we go to the grocery store, I don't have to buy as much. Alright, the first bag we have, and they come in little packages like this with everything already in here. Amazing. And this is the chicken parmesan mini flatbreads. So, and it has a little label right here. So you don't have to guess. We've done HelloFresh before and I dirtied up literally every dish that I had. It was awful. And this, I'll use like one of those big pans and that's it. Unless it's like pasta. And then this is the shrimp pasta situation. And the barbecue pulled pork. And then here's the pulled pork for the barbecue. And some, I don't know what this is, oregano? I gotta find out where that goes because I'm really not sure. And what is this? Oh, this is the shrimp. Shrimp and something else. Chicken, it looks like. And everything else in here are these little packs, which is good for your lunchbox or, you know, whatever you need it for. I mean, that's pretty much it. It's super easy. I love how everything's individually packaged. There's no guesswork in what goes with what. But yeah, I think I'm going to fix one of these tonight and I'll probably take you along with me. Alright, it's been a few hours since I last filmed. I cut the grass and went swimming and now it's dinner time. So, I'm making this shrimp pasta because that's the one that expires, or it says cook within 3 days. So that's what I'm going to do first. And this is also the intermediate one, so should be interesting. So I'm not going to really talk through everything because I feel like that's kind of boring. So I'll just like focus you on like what I'm doing and fast forward it and we'll go from there.
What we do here is go back.
So today is Tuesday, June 25th. I got back from work about an hour ago. I don't really have much to film today. I don't plan on cooking tonight or anything, so, but I did want to come on here and show y'all what my dogs did earlier that I'm really mad about. Now, one of them, Gemma, who I introduced earlier, she is a chewer. She loves to chew and destroy everything. She's ate some flip-flops of mine and some shoes of Will's, and now this. And this is like, they've chewed through like some of their crates and stuff before, like some nice like decorative wooden crates that we've got them. So now they just got a plain old wire crate that they can't chew out of. But this thing right here I'm super upset about because I've had it for like 5 or 6, maybe even 7 years, and it makes my heart hurt. So this is what this is my straightener that now is no longer usable. This is a little plug that plugs into the wall. Yep, see, not attached to anything. And here is the end of one, and I think I just threw the other part away. Like, they had, this part is severed off, and then they had 2 other parts that they just were working on. But yeah, so it doesn't work anymore. Obviously, I'm so sad. This is like the best straightener I've ever tried. It has lasted so long. It still heats up super hot. And I used to go through some straighteners back in the day. But once I found this one, it was like the end all be all. And so that's why I'm so upset that they ate it. And I've had my cord sitting out with them before, so I don't know why all of a sudden they just wanted to eat it. But this is the Babyless Pro Nano Titanium. And like the words are almost like off of it because I've used it for so long. And Will measured it for me. It's the 1 1/4 inch. And when I bought it back in the day, it was, I want to say it was around like $80. And I looked on Amazon and it's like $149. And I just don't have that kind of money to spend on a freaking straightener. So I'm so mad about it. And I was on Amazon looking for more straighteners and stuff. And there are some cheaper ones, but the reviews pretty much, I mean, you get what you pay for, you know. And it's like, I don't want to shell out that much money for a new straightener, you know, but it is what it is. I guess I'm just going to have to do something cheap until I can get, that straightener, or I can find a coupon code or something. But I just wanted to share that with y'all in case you cared or wondered. I probably pick back up filming maybe in a couple days or so. I think I'm going to do like combine days in the vlog so that it's not like so repetitive or boring or something. So I kind of have more of a meatier vlog to upload than just like 5 or 10 minutes, you know. So This vlog included yesterday, which was Monday, and today, Tuesday. So I might do like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, maybe. I don't know. It depends. But yeah, so I guess I'll check back in with y'all in a couple days or so. But subscribe so you can see my everyday life that I'm hopefully going to stick to. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye.